So we got this situation to handle. So we have to integrate from minus pi to pi. So again with the limit, you guys may get the intuition that we have to apply the limit minus a to a wala property. Okay, so f of x dx. So you can write down this thing as 0 to a and then f of x plus f of minus x dx. So we will apply the same logic over here now. So let's update the question 0 to pi. Now you will write f of x. So it is cos square x upon 1 plus a power x plus. Now you have to replace x with minus x. So you know that if you will replace x with minus x of cos x. So cos minus x is nothing but cos x only. So it does not affect the numerator. So numerator will remain the same. But denominator will be affected. A power minus x. Okay. Now let's modify the denominator. So 0 to pi cos square x and then 1 plus a power x. Now can we write down this thing as 1 by a power x and then take LCM. So what will happen? You will have a power x on the numerator cos square x and on the denominator we will be having 1 plus a power x. I hope you guys got this idea. Okay. Now if you'll observe the denominator is same. So taking LCM will become much more convenient. And if you'll observe the numerator is having cos square as common. So I'll take cos square x common. We will be left with 1 plus a power x upon 1 plus a power x dx. Okay. Now this thing gone. Now you have to integrate from 0 to pi cos square x. Okay. Now you know that we don't know how to integrate cos square theta. We are comfortable with cos theta, but cos square theta is not our game. Okay, so we have to break down the power into linear. So you know that if you wish to break down the power, you majorly rely on cos 2x, which says 2 cos square x minus 1, or it is 1 minus 2 sine square x. For this question, we need to take help of the first part. है ना? So for that, we need extra 2. So we will multiply 2 and divide by 2 to balance the equation. So we have 2 cos square x. So can we write down this situation as integration from 0 to pi, and then we have cos 2x plus of 1 dx. Okay. Now let's do the integration part. So 1 by 2 is a constant, can be taken outside. So integration of cos 2x is what? Sine 2x by 2. Okay. And integration of 1 is what? X. Now we guys are eligible to apply the limit. Now if you'll apply the limit, upper limit. Okay, wait a moment. If you'll apply the upper limit, you will be having sine of 2 pi. Sine of 2 pi is 0. Okay, sine of 2 pi is 0. So first thing is 0 plus pi. Now minus lower limit. So lower limit is what? If you'll apply 0, it will become 0. Sine 0 is 0. And then this thing is 0. So this thing is also 0. Done. So we are left with pi by 2. Okay. So the required result becomes what? Pi by 2. I hope The idea is clear, and I wish you guys can handle similar situations. Okay?